Hi, so my name's Kuhn. I'm from a small town outside of Rochester called Kendall, New York. So I decided to go into forensics because I've always had a passion for helping people, and I knew that helping people was part of my purpose on earth. And that mixed with my science skills that I showed in high school, I was able to talk to my guidance counselor in high school, and she just guided me in the way of forensics. The best thing about Alfred is the amount of hands-on learning we have here. Like, I can sit in my forensics lecture all day, and it's interesting. We learn about the major serial killers and the forensic science that was done on those cases. But the real excitement's in our organic labs, our forensics chem labs, where we actually get hands-on with all the machines around us, and we get to actually use them, and we do them in fake crime scenes that allow us to learn how, in the real world, evidence is actually handled. The forensics program at Alfred State College is actually one of only 5 forensics programs that are FEPAC accredited. That basically says you graduated from an accredited program, so you know what you need to do to work in the field of forensics. I really personally love all of my professors here. All professors I've had taken through the forensics program have real-world experience and are able to bring in their experience to help you learn within the classroom. I definitely enjoy the people here the most. I do love my program, and I love the people I've met in my program. Just the people around here are super fun. The campus has so many activities that we go do that we're never bored here. Alfred State has given me the evidence for the career that I've always wanted.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.